In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Reddit Ads Pixel using Google Tag Manager. Setting up the Reddit Ads Pixel can help you track user interactions and optimize your ads for better results. So let's jump right in and get started. First, log into your Reddit Ads account and navigate to the Events Manager. This is where you'll be able to manage your tracking pixels and other event data. Once you're in the Events Manager, you will see an option to click on Google Tag Manager. Go ahead and select Pixel from the menu. This option will help you create a new tracking pixel to use with your campaigns. Next, you need to copy the pixel ID. This is a unique identifier for your pixel that you'll need to input later in Google Tag Manager. Keep this ID handy as it is crucial for the setup process. Now open your Google Tag Manager container. This is the hub where you control all the tracking tags for your website. Within the Google Tag Manager interface, find the option to add a new tag and click on it. A new configuration window will open. It's helpful to name this new tag something memorable. You might choose Reddit Ads Pixel, for instance, because it's descriptive and will help you easily identify the tag later on. In the tag configuration section, you'll see an option to discover more tag types in the community template gallery. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a gallery of available tag templates. Use the search bar to look for Reddit and select the Reddit Pixel template when it appears. At this point, you'll be prompted to grant all required permissions to the Reddit Pixel template. This step is crucial as it ensures the Reddit Pixel can function properly and collect the necessary data. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to grant these permissions. Once you've done that, you'll need to paste the Reddit Pixel ID into the designated field within the template. This connects the pixel in Google Tag Manager with your Reddit Ads account. With the pixel ID in place, verify that the event to fire setting is configured as page visit, or another event that suits your tracking needs. This setting determines when the pixel should activate on your website. Then choose a trigger for the pixel. For most users, all pages is the ideal choice as this setting will fire the pixel on every page of your website. This ensures comprehensive tracking across your entire site. After setting your trigger, click Save to finalize the tag configuration. You're almost there. Next, hit Submit to apply the changes to your container. Finally, click Publish to deploy the container and make all the changes live on your site. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Reddit Ads Pixel using Google Tag Manager. Enjoy tracking your campaigns and optimizing your strategies for even greater success.